Hey there, I'd like to share my review on the Pupsel Pooper Scooper. So we're down here at our camping area. We have 3 dogs, and let me tell you, we run into a lot of situations where this would become very handy. So let's go ahead and demo it out and see how well it does. Putting together the rake and poop bucket was actually really simple. There was a box of bags in there, so all you had to do is pull off a bag, pull it over the bin, and there was actually a really nice little handle clip system on the front where you can lock the bag into place so that when you're tipping the poop bin, the plastic bag actually stays in place. The first piece just screwed on, and then the rest interlocked with a button peg. The rake, same system, just this push button peg, so it's really easy to take apart as well if you want to store it somewhere. Now let's go try it out. So when you tip the bucket, you just rake the contents into the bucket and pull up on the handle and it falls to the bottom. So it was actually really simple, and I can see it just being super fast to just do a quick cleanup. And then to pull the bag out, you just unloop it off the clips on the front, tie it off. I decided to put a couple screws in the side of our building to hang the bucket and rake.